There are numerous items accessible to yoga swings, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best yoga swings from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. UpCircleSeven Aerial Yoga Swing. Consists of 2 multi-loop climber power daisy chains that includes a load capability of 550 pounds to make sure your security on any of our aerial yoga hammocks. 25% bigger and extra snug thick padded foam handles together with a spacious triple-stitch swing seat pushes the boundaries of consolation throughout any yoga swing train. Whether or not utilizing it for inversion remedy for spinal decompression or constructing higher physique power, it's certain to invigorate your again and well-being. It's good for use too. Consists of ceiling mounts plus screws to securely set up and cling your inversion hammock into wooden or concrete. Heal your again or have enjoyable doing yoga. Get the very best yoga swing that's trusted and approved nationwide by your very personal fellow yogas. Number 2. Yoga Swing Pro Premium Aerial Hammock. Our transportable and adjustable aerial yoga swing equipment additionally consists of setup information that will help you with its fast setup function. It may be put in wherever, be it your own home, gymnasium, or on a department of a tree for the proper yoga exercise. Use it as a hammock outsides or a swing as your youngsters are going to adore it. Aerial yoga inversion workout routines helps bettering the again ache, spinal decompression, and pelvic flooring points. It additionally helps to enhance the physique's power and achieve pure flexibility to deal with anxiousness, stress, and because of this you get restful sleep. Produced from premium grade 210T nylon parachute material to offer you a cushy stretch for yoga inversion. Triple stitching supplies added security and sturdiness which helps weight as much as 500 plus pounds. Yoga hammock psychological results triggers your interior optimistic aura, stables your thoughts, and acts as a temper booster. It's excellent to make use of for stretching and enjoyable because it acts as a temper booster and stress reliever, so you may get each improved bodily and psychological well-being. Number 3. HEALTHYMODELLIFE PINC Active Silk Area. Actual aerial yoga should not have handles, they're pointless and ugly. Do not fall for different opponents' yoga swings which have handles. Get the appropriate gear from Expertise Yogas. Don't have to buy further or work out difficult items. This swing is ready up and able to cling on arrival. The daisy chain makes hanging easy for anybody. This top quality materials is comfortable to the contact and eases transitions from pose to pose. You'll discover the distinction from parachute silk instantly. Our stretchy materials is required that will help you transfer between positions. Better of all, we provide a 1-year guarantee on each swing we promote. We imagine in high quality, and we imagine you need to at all times get what you pay for. And for those who ever really feel such as you didn't, simply tell us, and we promise we'll make it proper. By no means tried aerial yoga. Anybody can do it. You possibly can calm down safely for meditation and you'll get pleasure from the advantages of inversion remedy. Number 4. ZELUS Aerial Yoga Swing Sling Strong Yoga. It's a cinch to arrange this product no time. Nearly cling it from a door frame. If in case you have an uncovered beam in your lofted room or storage, toss it over. Cling it from a tree department or a swing set and even one other piece of gymnasium gear. Don't have to delay these workout routines when this swing might be up and prepared in minutes. This swing options 2 sturdy daisy chains that may be simply adjusted to offer the proper peak to your yoga swing train. Be assured of your security whereas utilizing this aerial yoga hammock as a result of these straps are made with solely the very best high-quality supplies. Really feel assured whenever you use this yoga swing. Manufactured from sturdy nylon material, this breathable yoga swing can assist over 400 kilos at its capability. The superior supplies assist scale back friction and put on, growing the lifetime of the swing. This swing promise reliability and uncompromising consolation. Number 5. ZEAL'N Life Aerial Yoga Swing Set. ZEAL'N Life Aerial Yoga Swing coming with 1 principal hammock with 6 handles, 2 extension belts, 4 carabiners, 2 mounting bases, and a conveyable storage bag to your storage and carry outdoors. You'll be able to set up aerial yoga swing trapeze as much as 11 feet, indoor, outside, utilizing door mount bar, uncovered beam, tree department, ceiling mount, and many others. Set up video within the Element web page and handbook contained in the field. Our yoga aerial swing made out of premium grade 210T nylon parachute material to offer you a cushy stretch for yoga inversion. String stitching supplies added security and sturdiness which helps weight as much as 600 plus pounds. Yoga hammock psychological results set off your interior optimistic aura, steady your thoughts and acts as a temper booster. It's excellent to make use of for stretching and enjoyable because it acts as a temper booster and stress reliever so you may get each improved bodily and psychological well-being from inversion swing. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price to check out my description. For any kind of problem please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.